Hi, welcome to KidLivZ. This is my brother Darshan. In 2017, Darshan was having a treatment for cancer, and our family learned how the food he ate helped him to get better. We worked with our nutritionists, who helped us to understand which foods would help support Darshan to survive his treatment and his cancer. Since then, Darshan has led our family to give unhealthy foods a chop. We want to help other kids make good choices about what they eat. So these videos tell you all about the foods that we've chosen to eat. Darshan and I have a huge amount of fun learning and experimenting to cook. We hope you enjoy watching and we inspire you to do the same. Oh, and by the way, I'm Anise. Welcome back to KidLivZ Season 2!
Hello, welcome back to KidLivZ. It is Season 2. Welcome back to KidLivZ and it is Season 2.
So you guys have sent us loads of comments and recipes, but we did see one that we really liked the look of. It was a lasagna and strawberry salad.
I am going to do the meat one and Edward is going to do the vegetarian one. So we have mozzarella, cheddar and parmesan.
Ooh.
And that is all going on top of the lasagna.
And then soon it'll be in our belly.
Let's get to tasting some lasagna.
Wow.
That was from Edward and William.
So, we'd love to have you on KidLivZ. Please keep commenting and come on KidLivZ with us. Oh yeah, and now we're back for Season 2. Yes!
So today we're going to be making a rainbow juice.
So this juice is from this book. So she's our nutrition wizard and we've got this juice from this book. It's called the rainbow juice and it looks really yummy. We have tried it before and it is delicious. So thank you, Rosemary. Right, half a beetroot. So we need half a beetroot.
We're going to do one for each of us.
So
We'll do mine and Lisa's first. Just chuck it in.
So we have 4 teaspoons of blue-green algae.
Blue-green algae, also known as spirulina and chlorella. There's a few of them and they are quite strong flavoured. They're an incredible colour. They're a powder which is just like a velvety dark green colour, and they are absolutely amazing. They're actually quite full of protein. They've got some B12 in them, but they're very, very powerful like cleansers for us and detoxifiers. Wonderful things, but just quite strong flavoured.
We have 2 carrots, a whole beetroot.
Half a beetroot. You need one in each.
Yeah, I know, but there's a whole beetroot altogether.
Yeah.
We're making 2 juices today. And we've got 5 strawberries for each juice, 10 blueberries for each juice.
And a handful of spinach each.
A handful of spinach, so just about that much.
Half a lemon juice. And
yeah, half a lemon juice.
A kid's thumb-sized piece of ginger.
Rosemary didn't actually put ginger in, but we've decided we want a bit of a kick to our juice.
So ginger's really good for you because it's a bit like turmeric and it's really anti-carcinogenic.
If you put the lemon on here, then you squeeze it, then the seeds will get stuck in these little things. Don't know what they are. And then the juice will come around it, and then you can pour it in, take the seeds out, down.
Yeah, this will juice it. What am I doing?
Yeah, what? You... How about you put the blueberries and strawberries in?
I think the beetroot should go in first so that it's quickly.
No, because the soft bit's going first.
We need to cut this into smaller pieces.
Do we?
Yeah.
Do it.
This bit. And that's just going to get chucked in.
No, soft bit first. I think we're done with this, guys.
6, 7, 8.
When you eat like sweets or coffee and the things that we like, that gives your body more acidity. But I'm sure Rosemary can like explain this a bit better than me.
Lemon is a citrus fruit, and although people think that it's very acidic, when you actually drink lemon, it tastes acidic, but actually in the body it becomes alkaline in the body, which helps to keep the body in an alkaline state, which is what we want. We don't want it acidic. Sugars, dairy, coffee, all those sort of things that everybody seems to love are the things that make us acidic, which is not great for our health. Lemon, on the other hand, helps us to be more alkaline.
Whoa!
Lemon juice going in.
Lemon juice going in.
Deep. So now we are going to start blending.
You have to do it softly then. Yeah, it's coming out really good.
Yeah, so you see the carrots are stuck. Look at all the stuff that's stuck. Yeah, so you need to put things in one bit at a time, otherwise, yeah,
Yeah.
that happens.
So we've just found out that if you put too many things in at once, it will all like get stuck and the blade isn't sharp enough to maintain all of that.
Shut it down.
Woo! Now, all we need to do now, oh, it smells so good. I can smell that really nice acidity from the lemon and the strongness from the ginger.
Oh, it smells so good.
Okay, so
You can
now,
also smell a bit of the strawberry if you
can you
like.
get me a teaspoon, please? Wait.
Mix that.
Let me just mix this.
So we'll mix that a bit, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of
green
algae. No, it's blue algae.
Blue-green algae.
algae. Green-blue.
So you make sure that you don't put it in the juicer, because otherwise, I think it like jams it or something. But you're just meant to mix it in like afterwards.
Now mix it.
Mix. It smells like quite. Yeah, it smells like quite, quite strong, but it's not that bad. It smells really fruity.
It's on the outside, Annie.
Okay, so we're gonna set that aside now, because we have officially done that juice. Look at those colours. So now we are going to do another juice.
The same one.
Yeah, obviously the same one, because otherwise we'd have to wash this. Remember, it is 10 blueberries, 5 strawberries, half a lemon, a thumb size, a kid's thumb size of ginger, a whole carrot cut into small pieces, 2 teaspoons of algae, blue-green algae. Ooh. And then what's that? Half a beetroot.
Beetroot. Beetroot is one of, is a brilliant. I use it a lot for juicing and things, but it's a great vegetable. It's a root vegetable. It's bright purple and will stain all your clothes and fingers if you let it. It's full of something called anthocyanin, which is an antioxidant, so really good for your, helping your body deal with any rubbish going in and out of it. It's great for your liver, so that's a good thing to know.
And then a handful of spinach.
So spinach actually is what Popeye said it was. It is full of iron, and so it will help your energy levels, because you need to have iron, help oxidization in the blood. It's also very good for your energy levels. It's full of B vitamins, so fantastic for creating energy, and it's again really full of fibre, as are most of the veg we've mentioned.
Ready to go? Yay! So we're going. Oh, the glass. Wait.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go on.
Push.
Whoa, that's a nice colour. Lovely colour.
This one's my one.
Oh yeah. We can stop it for a second and then do it. Wah! Ready? Go. Yeah, that was so much easier because we did one ingredient at a time. Well, Obviously not one strawberry, but that will take ages. Just a couple of strawberries, a couple of blueberries, and then it's just much easier and quicker.
Gotta get all of the lemon juice out.
Yeah, don't want to waste any.
I can smell the ginger.
Yeah, that strong ginger. Whoa! That is... Wait, hang on. Let me just... Look at that.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, just move your hand. Look at that colour.
2 teaspoons of
2
ours.
teaspoons. Remember, 2 teaspoons.
Yep.
Looks really yummy. So that ginger will give you an energy boost and it smells so refreshing. Yeah. Ooh. Right, so now I'm just going to dry it.
Okay.
Wait, Dash, not done clearing up yet. Okay.
Just gonna get the glasses ready. So now we're going to do the taste. Oh, that's delicious.
Oh my gosh.
I can taste the beetroot and the strawberry like they've joined together and they're like best friends. They're just like blended together.
And I can really taste that ginger. It really gives it a kick.
Okay, can we just wrap it up there? Okay, now please like, share with anyone you know. Please subscribe. We need as many subscribers as we want. We want more subscribers. We want more followers. We want you to share it with anyone you know.
Down there, the red button there, which says subscribe.
So please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
See you, Aldi, for the Beatles. Party!
Okay, bye.